so much more instant.
What's going on, guys? Today we're out in Concord, California. We're filming with Jensen and his Charger Hellcat.
What's up, guys? I specialize in more drifting, performance driving type of stuff. A lot of people don't drive these cars sideways. They like to drive them in a straight line, you know, drag strip, stuff like that. I'm one of the only people that actually drift a Hellcat Charger. I think the pedal commander would help me in plenty different ways. One, in the slides, there will be less throttle delay when I'm sliding, so that'll help keep the RPMs up and all that stuff.
This thing is gnarly. We're about to put a pedal commander in it and see what it can do.
Let's do it.
So first things first, on the Hellcat, there is a little panel right here that's got a couple clips in it that we gotta pop. So I'm gonna use my clip popper. There we go. One down. Easy. There we go. On this guy, the pedal position sensor is pretty high up here, so you kind of got to go blind unless you go underneath. You can go ahead and throw the pedal commander in there. This one first. Boom. And clipped in. Be good to go. We're just gonna tuck this wire away. Put this guy up here. And then we're ready to put this panel back. Alright, here we go.
Okay. So you said 9 different modes?
Yeah, so right now you're in city mode, and in each one of those main 4 modes at the top, you've got 9 different settings. You see that +1 through 4,
yeah.
-1 through 4. You can go anywhere within that in each setting, so you got a total of 36 different options.
36 different options.
36.
That's crazy.
Mm-hmm.
All right. And then how do you switch through?
So you just hit the power button again.
Okay.
There you go.
Let's see what the sport does. Wow. Wow, that's a big difference.
It is.
That is a big difference.
There it is. And then you click into that Sport Plus.
Wow. That's, I was not expecting that.
And then you can bump it up even to that Sport Plus +4. It'll get even gnarlier.
That's a huge difference, I'm not gonna lie.
Almost instantly.
That's a huge difference. Yeah, I think Sport Plus +4 is my favorite mode so far.
Oh yeah.
I really like that mode. We have Sport Plus +4 in track mode, as long as well as traction off.
There we go.
It's so much more instant. This is so much different when you're sliding because you can keep the RPMs like super, I don't even know how to describe it.
If you had to describe the pedal commander and its effect in like 10 words.
I don't know if I can say this, but really fucking effective. Delay in the throttle is completely gone, especially in Sport Plus mode. The city mode's a little more gentle, you know, but I love Sport Plus because I love aggressive cars, you know.
Yeah.
I love having to feel that horsepower.
going on, guys? Nathan back here again. We just finished up with Jensen. He's been loving it. What do you think?
Yeah, the pedal commander, I honestly didn't think it would be such a big difference, but it completely changed the car, so I'm in love with it. I appreciate it. Thank you guys. Thank you guys a bunch. Thanks for hanging out, filming and stuff. It's hard to get a lot of shots, outside shots anyway. I'm usually just filming by myself, but thank you guys for coming out. I appreciate it. And yeah, go get you guys a pedal commander because it really changes your car. Definitely.